Hi everyone, I'm Roshani and I'm a behavior consultant here at Autism Partnership. As most of you already know, kids with autism have some form of communication delay. For kids that aren't very communicative, one of the things that we look and encourage to teach is their use of spontaneous language. Now, what is spontaneous language? Well, as the name suggests, it's language that's initiated voluntarily. Now, we do encounter kids that do have language, but they may have more of a passive or quiet demeanor. This might mean that they're really good at responding to questions, but not so much at being spontaneous. So that's why this would be a great goal to work on. Here at Autism Partnership, we like to use a strategy called communication temptations. What it involves is setting up several opportunities to tempt your child to communicate. When you know your child wants something, don't just give it to him, make him communicate for it. Let's do a quick demonstration on how this can be achieved. The process starts with finding an object that the child wants and keeping it out of reach. When the child looks out for it, then you should prompt by saying the name of the object and then giving it.
Car.
Car.
Car, here you go.
This practice should be done a few times so that the child learns the word that needs to be said in order to get the item he wants. After a while, you would want to delay the prompt and hold back on saying the word. What this does is tempt the child to communicate himself.
Here we go. Doo-dum, doo-dum, doo-dum. Ta-da! Oh, it's empty. Dun, 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 dun.
Car.
Car, there you go.
And this is how you do a basic communication temptation for an object the child desires. Now, you don't have to just do this for things. You can do the strategy for things like getting the child to ask for help, or even if he wants to open something. Help.
Help. Help. There you go.
Now, you can see we didn't give it away so easily to the child. We gave a little bit so that we can get as much practice as possible. But of course, don't overdo this, or else your child might lose interest or even get frustrated, and we don't want that to happen. Now, sometimes you can teach two different targets using the same object. For example, with a balloon, I can teach the word blow, and I can teach the word balloon.
Wee. Balloon.
Balloon.
Balloon. Blow.
Blow.
Blow. Ta-da!
So use communication temptations in order to encourage your child to develop his spontaneous speech. This way, you'll encourage him to develop the power of language, increase his desire to talk, and because now your child is able to communicate more effectively, he's going to be less frustrated, and so are you, because he's learned to use his words to get his needs met. So stay tuned for our next video when we look at how to develop spontaneous communication with students of different abilities. See you next time!